Can you say, Happy Mother's Day?
Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama?
Mama.
Mama? Can you say, I love you, Mama?
Mama.
You say, I miss you, Mama?
I do, Mama.
Miss you. Are we having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're having fun. And can we say, we love you, Teddy?
Every day.
How about you, Pierce? Can you say, I love you, Teddy?
Yay.
Looking forward to meeting new brother.
You.
Now that the baby's out, right? Now that the baby's out. Okay, one more time. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day.
There you go, Lilybell. Good job. Pierce, do you have anything else to say?
My people. My day.
Oh,
My day.
Mother's Day.
My day. Oh, good.
Yeah?
My day. Oh, good. I day. Oh, good.